Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming voltage compatibility. Panel, battery, and controller must match, for example, 12V versus 24V systems. Once done, disconnect the battery to prevent arcs and wear safety gloves. This protects you and the electronics. Next, inspect the controller terminals labeled PV, BAT, and load. Know the polarity. Now begin by routing the positive and negative PV leads to the controller PV terminals, making sure wires are stripped properly and held tight to avoid loose connections. Once the PV leads are secure, connect the battery to the BAT terminals, positive to positive, negative to negative, and do this only after PV connections are stable to let the controller detect battery presence. Then configure the controller. Choose battery type. Set charging voltages and absorption time. These parameters protect battery health. Install a fuse or miniature circuit breaker between battery and controller, sized to expected current to protect against short circuits. Make sure wiring is to finish. Connect the load terminal last and test with a small lamp or device so you can observe behavior safely. Monitor charging current and battery voltage. If the voltage rises and charging current appears, the system is functioning. Make sure controller status LEDs or display show normal charging stages. If things go wrong, first inspect for reversed polarity, blown fuses, or undersized cable causing voltage drop. Then review controller settings. If errors persist, power down and consult the controller manual or a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.